Hi everybody, Namaste. I am Tushar Kalwar, President, Zara Globe Solutions Private Limited. We are participating in this World of Concrete exhibition, the country's only unique exhibition on concrete industry. It is the world's largest and the most leading showcase of concrete solutions and construction equipment. Our company Zara Globe Solutions Private Limited is in existence since 2014, manufacturing and providing very innovative and sustainable concrete repair and industrial paint solutions. Our exclusive and unique fast concrete repair and patented concrete repair putty and chemical resistance anti-corrosive paint products are the right product for highly aggressive industrial environment, namely for small, medium and heavy manufacturing and process industries, ports and terminals, cold storage installations, silos and warehouses. Our exclusive high performance floor repair products, FCR and CRP having just 3 hours curing time and chemical resistance and anti-corrosive paint has unique properties like 5 minutes touch dry and 1 hour full dry. Having a smaller setting time, it means minimum loss of process time. You save time, cost, and the most important is that you don't have to take long repetitive shutdowns for floor repair, and there is incredible reduction in your maintenance and project execution time because of these amazing products. This helps your process continue without interruption. So, on behalf of Zara Globe Solutions Private Limited, I am inviting you to come and visit our stall F12 at World of Concrete Exhibition at Bombay Exhibition Center, Mumbai. We would be very happy to receive you at our stall F12 for more formal and informative discussion. Kindly note that exhibition is only for 3 days starting from 16th October to 19th October. Timings are 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Don't forget our stall F12 of Zara Globe Solutions Private Limited. Have a nice time. Thank you.